When we think of Switzerland, it invokes images and thoughts of the iconic Matterhorn and yodeling. But did you know that the climb begins in the beautiful town of Zermatt? The imposing mountain straddles both the Swiss and Italian borders, and it is a bucket list for many climbers. Adding to the breathtaking scenery are 5 lakes, all affording different views of the Matterhorn. Shadowed by Lake Stellici creates that picture-perfect moment. Translated, it means Peak of the Meadows, and our train journey is going to reveal why. Our journey today begins on the Gornerat Railway, one of the most unique in Switzerland. The Gornerat Railway has to contend with more than 900 metres in altitude, and it's helped partly with the first fully electric cogwheel technology in Switzerland. Fortunately, as tourists, we don't need to be climbers to experience the beauty of the pyramidal peak. But let's rewind a little, back to the beautiful city of Montreux, with the distinct flair and feel of a Mediterranean town. From here, you will travel through the Nikolai Valley, one of the deepest incised valleys in Switzerland, before our arrival into Zermatt. Once you've had your fill of the beautiful Matterhorn, it's time to head to St. Moritz on what is said to be the slowest express train in the world. The Glacier Express has an ulterior motive, however, when taking her time. The scenery is breathtaking. Travelling across 291 bridges and 91 tunnels, through deep ravines in unspoilt wilderness and the Oberlapp Pass, the Glacier Express winds its way through luscious and pristine meadows and mountains with unsurpassed beauty. So stunning is this journey, you may want to return to see it in another season. The mountainous cantons are larger than life with unobstructed views seen from the comfort of the high glass windows before your arrival into St. Moritz. Travelling by train from Zurich to Interlaken is via Lucerne and takes just 3 hours. As the train ambles through the mountains, waterfalls and turquoise lakes appear from the snow-clad landscape. The Golden Pass train passes Gotthard, Lake Geneva connecting Lucerne to Montreux. The Grand Train Tour of Switzerland merges 8 individual journeys into one route. The year-round 1,280-kilometre journey takes you through the most charming Swiss towns and cities, as well as UNESCO sites and famous landmarks. The Swiss Travel Pass is offering up to 50% off many mountain excursions and free admission to over 500 museums. From Lugano we head to Lucerne after changing trains and boarding the Gotthard Panorama Express. Lugano or Bellinzona is the ideal journey from the Mediterranean south right through the heart of Switzerland. The Gotthard Tunnel is worth the trip alone, making it world famous and a very popular destination. Once you continue your excursion to Lake Lucerne on a steamboat, you will arrive in the evening to see the beautiful harbour lights and to reveal a sophisticated city full of charm, synonymous with the Swiss landscape. Our last exciting journey is on the Bernina Express, where you will be exposed to more spectacular scenery as you cross the 65-metre high Landwasser Viaduct, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The hypnotic playfulness of the countryside unfolds as the train passes through 55 tunnels and over 196 bridges on its way from Chur to Tirano. The Montebello curve has a view of the Bernina Massif and the Montreux Glacier. I hope you have enjoyed my video today. Great train journeys of the world, Switzerland. I look forward to bringing you more great train journeys from all around the world very, very soon.